Hey everybody, Casey with ASD Knives here. Got some new knives in. These are Bestech knives. This is the Kendo. We'll have some videos with the scimitar in as well. So these are pretty cool designs. So take a look at it here. You got black G10. Again, we have OD green as well. Black G10. These are very comfortable in the hand. Satin hardware. At the top there. Got a index finger flipper. But these also have a ceramic ball bearing in them. So these are very fast and very smooth opening. The Kendo model from Bestech has the Tanto blade. It also, this model particularly, has the black highlight. You can get it without that as well. I like the black. But again, D2 tool steel and G10 handle scales, very good materials. Especially considering the price point, which is just $52. So a little over 8 inches long total. Blade is 3 1/4. Very sharp. Very sharp. They got a good grind on it. Flat ground. Of the 4 that we got in here recently, this is the stiffest one, and it's still not bad. These are pretty good knives. Like I said, especially for $52. Can't really go wrong with getting D2 with G10 and the ceramic ball bearing for $52. Again, this is the Bestech knife. Bestech Knives Kendo, which is available at asdknives.com or asdefense.com. Either one of those URLs will work. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Also, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and any feedback, comments, or questions you have, please leave them in the comment section below. And we really appreciate you watching the video. Thanks a lot.